Hello guys, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to replace your old plug-in outlet. But first what we need to do, we need to turn off the electricity in the main electrical panel. And when the power is turned off, you can unscrew a wall plate and start unscrewing the plug-in outlet from the wall box. And as you can see, mine is so old that it broke in half while I was unscrewing the outlet. And when you unscrewed the outlet, you can start pulling the outlet from wall box. And I'm starting with unscrewing white wires and trying to make a hook a bit bigger, so it's gonna be much easier for me to attach them to a new plug-in outlet. As you can see, I'm just putting everything back in the same place as it was in the old plug-in outlet. Again, making a bit bigger hook for easy attachment. My wires are in really good shape, they don't have any corrosion and I don't need to clean them. And I have one white wire left, which I need to put inside of the little hole in the same place as it was in the old plug-in outlet. And it's time to attach a ground bare wire cable to a green screw, which is our ground. And it's time to start reattaching hot wires. They are always black, and you can see there is a hole, and I'm gonna be just putting one of the black wires back in the hole. So now I'm gonna be attaching the black one in the same place. And the last one. And when guys you attach the last wire, so it is time for you to put plug-in outlet back in the wall box. Sometimes it can be difficult, but take your time, you will do it. And when you manage to put all of the wires inside of wall box, you can start screwing the plug-in outlet to a wall box. And now I need to attach a wall plate to a plug-in outlet. And when you will be attaching a wall plate to a plug-in outlet, be very careful because you don't want to break your new wall plate. And this is it. I'm checking if the outlet is working, everything is working perfectly, and if you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.